Hey everybody, welcome to Happily Healthy. We create inspirational health videos to help you happily succeed in your life. Today we are going to go over the healthy cranberry relish recipe, how to make your own Thanksgiving worthy cranberry relish. Make sure to watch until the recipe because you will get the complete guide on how to make cranberry relish. Cranberries recipe ideas for any occasion. Cranberries are a perfect holiday fruit. They're easy to prepare, healthy and flavorful. Their bright color makes them an ideal dish to serve this season, whether it's in a salad or as a dessert. Cranberries can also be found in sweetened sauces and chutneys as well as baked goods like muffins, pies and breads. This video has recipes for the Thanksgiving table, but there is also information about how kids can get involved in cooking with cranberries. The video provides a family-friendly dessert recipe that is healthy and contains cranberries as an ingredient. What is cranberry sauce? Introduction. Cranberry sauce is traditionally served on Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner tables in North America as a side dish with turkey or ham. It is often eaten with mashed potatoes and green beans. To some people, it might sound strange to serve something acidic like cranberry sauce on a savory dish, but this combination has been popular since at least the 1800s. There are many different variations of cranberry sauces today, including canned versions that come in their own package or versions that require you to cook the berries yourself. National Cranberry Relish Day commemorates a true Thanksgiving staple. National Cranberry Relish Day celebrates the delicious and versatile cranberry relish. It is a tasty dish that can be used to season turkey, chicken or ham dishes or as an appetizer with crackers and cheese. The day also serves as an opportunity for Americans to go cranberry for a day by eating plenty of the popular fruit in all its forms. On November 22nd, we celebrate National Cranberry Relish Day. Cranberry Relish Day is an annual food holiday that has been celebrated by people since 2004. It was observed first on November 18th and later on December 12th as the one day for cranberry lovers. During this period, we should celebrate the cranberry and what it does for our health. We should remember the important role that it plays in our culture. And it's a good occasion to introduce others to this amazing dish. What better way to celebrate National Cranberry Relish Day than by adding a dash of cranberry relish to your Thanksgiving dinner? The tart, refreshing flavor of this classic condiment is the perfect addition to an already delicious meal. Cranberry relish is a popular condiment for Thanksgiving. It's a great idea to add a dash of cranberry relish to your Thanksgiving dinner table. The recipe for cranberry relish is simple and easy to make. All you need is fresh cranberries, sugar, water and orange peel. You can also add some spices like cinnamon or cloves if you want to spice up your dish. We will give the cranberry recipe to you. We have always been a fan of cranberries, especially during the winter season. The tangy, sweet and sour taste of the berries is a perfect complement to rich holiday dinners. I think that it tastes fantastic as a side dish and can also be used as an ingredient in many recipes. The relish recipe below is one that we've been using for years. This recipe is not only delicious, but it's also easy to make and relies on ingredients you may already have in your own pantry. Even if you're short on time or don't have time to go to the grocery store, this recipe will work for you. This is the recipe for a homemade cranberry relish that will make your Thanksgiving dinner extra special. Ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of fresh cranberries, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, zest from 1 orange, juice from 1 orange. Number 1. In a saucepan, combine the sugar, water and cranberries. Bring to a full boil over medium-high heat. Number 2. Reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer until tender, about 5 minutes. Number 3. Stir in cinnamon and cloves. Cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds more. Number 4. Remove from heat and let cool completely before stirring in orange zest and orange juice. Number 5. Transfer to a covered container and refrigerate until chilled, about 2 hours. Ingredients: half cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, 1 package fresh or frozen cranberries, coarsely chopped. Cranberries as a staple of any Thanksgiving dinner. Cranberries are said to be a staple of any Thanksgiving dinner because of their sweet and tart flavor. Though cranberries in the wild can be difficult to find, they are easy to grow and harvest at home. They take up very little space and even grow well on trellis or fence. The berries can be eaten straight off the vine or used in many different dishes such as cranberry sauce, cranberry syrup, and cranberry juice. When growing the plant, it is important not to harvest all of the berries at once because they will taste bitter. Harvesting them several times throughout the season will ensure a sweet harvest. The American cranberry industry is worth $1 billion. The American cranberry industry is worth $1 billion. This is because the cranberry is one of the few fruits that can be grown on a large scale, and it can also be processed into juice, sauce, and other products. The industry in America produces more than half of the world's cranberries. Cranberries are a fruit that can grow to a large scale because they are not too fickle with their growing conditions. They grow well in wet areas like bogs and marshes, which makes them perfect to the northeast United States where there is plenty of rain for them to grow. Cranberries are also easy to process into juice, sauce, or other products, which make them popular with many companies looking for new ways to sell their goods. Did you know that cranberries are good for your health? The cranberry relish is a classic Thanksgiving dish that can be made a day in advance, and it's the perfect way to add some sweet, savory, and tangy flavors to your dinner table. Cranberries are high in vitamin C and fiber, and studies show that they can be good for your heart health. Research has shown that 1 cup of cranberries has more than the recommendation daily intake of vitamin C. Cranberries also require a lot of water to grow, which is beneficial during a drought. They are also rich in fiber, which can be good for your heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos of happily healthy and great lifestyle tips. We will see you in the next video. Take care.